What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, carrying on with the Porsche series, we will be taking a look at these two beauties. This 911 GT3 RS and this 911 GT3 RS. So yeah, let's open them up, take a closer look. And as always, if you haven't already subscribed, be sure to subscribe. So here is the red GT3 RS with the white stripes on it. There's the red one. And then we have this one, which is one of my favourites, the orange GT3 RS. And I don't know if you can see in there, you can just see the roll cage in the back. Kind of see it there, black roll cage. Black rear wing. Lovely looking car. It's kind of screaming out for some real riders on it. I think all the Porsches do, to be fair. There we have the orange GT3 RS, and as a bit of an extra, we'll have a re-look at this little beauty, which is my blue GT3 RS. Love the colour on this one, with the white wheels and the white GT3 RS and the white stripe down the side. It's really nice casting. Well, as we're on the subject of GT3 RSs, I'll throw this one in as well. That other blue GT3 RS. GT3 Cup, GT3 RS, with the plastic rear wing. I prefer the metal rear wings, but still a cool looking casting. So yeah, let me know in the comments which one of these four is your favourite. Do you like this GT3 RS, the blue one with a plastic wing? Is it the blue one with the white detailing? Is it the red and white? Or is it the one that I'm actually rooting for, the orange GT3 RS? So yeah, that wraps up today's Porsche series video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed what you saw. Let me know in the comments which one's your favourite, and as ever, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of them. And I will see you guys on the next video.